Okay, good afternoon. Let us start today's class. See, in the previous class, we have seen how to generate firing pulses for various configuration, right? And I believe you must try for, drawing this waveform for various firing angle, as I have already shared with you, right? So first of all, let us draw for firing angle 30. And before going to that, let us make this thing clear. Let us make this thing clear. Means when all the devices are conducting, this is the case. When all the devices are conducting, output phase voltage would be VRN, same like phase voltage. And line voltage VRY would be VRY. Right? When RY is conducting, then phase voltage would be VRY by 2 and line voltage would be RY, as the case is this. RY is conducting, so phase voltage means voltage between R and N. Voltage between R and N, this would be half of RY voltage. And line voltage would be same as the line voltage VRY, right? Now, when RB is conducting, phase voltage would be half RB, and the line voltage, this is the case. What would be the line voltage? This Y is
हेलो
not.
सर
हाँ वैशाली, आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या?
सर कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, ब्लैक स्क्रीन आ रही है.
ब्लैक स्क्रीन आ रही. भरत, प्लीज कंफर्म, इज इट द ब्लैक स्क्रीन?
ठीक है.
वैशाली, फिर तो आप देखो जरा, कुछ कहो तो मैं 1 मिनट रुक जाऊं. ये और भी एक आधे स्टूडेंट बता.
तब से कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, बस ब्लैक.
नहीं वैशाली, ये बाकी को दिख रहा है. आरमन, आपको दिख रहा है?
यस सर.
आरमन को देखो दिख रहा है. तो मेरे ख्याल से ना वीडियो तुम्हारा पॉज हो गया होगा. एक बार आप रिफ्रेश करो तो इट विल स्टार्ट कमिंग. मैं 1 मिनट रुका हूं वैशाली, फटाफट करके देखो.
सर 1 मिनट.
हाँ, कोई इशू नहीं. नहीं तो अभी तो तुम्हारा वीडियो आ रहा है, इधर तो आ रहा है. फैन दिखा था तुम्हारी साइड से.
सर आपका वीडियो नहीं. हाँ.
So where was I am? This. When R and B were conducting, we will get VRB by 2. That means this complete voltage, total voltage is VRB. So half of this we will get as a phase voltage. Now what would be the line voltage? As I have already told you, it would not be RY. Why? Because this is not in the phase of conducting. This is not conducting phase. So whatsoever the voltage is here at the neutral point, the same voltage would appear here because there is no current. So this voltage is equal to half of VRB. Am I right? Half of VRB. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Since Y is not conducting and we are drawing voltage VRY, Y phase is not conducting. If it is not conducting, that means this is in isolation. None of the, neither T3, neither T3 nor T6. Any of the device is not in the conducting state. That is why whatsoever the voltage is this neutral point, the same will be the voltage at this. And RB is conducting, so this voltage is half of RB. That means this voltage, if you measure, it will come out to be half of RB. Line voltage would be RY, line voltage would be half of RB. when RB phase conducting. So this table is clear to everyone. If it is clear, just okay, Bharat is saying yes. Nishan, fine. Today Prakash is absent, I think. Oh no, Prakash I have seen. Okay. एक बार बीच में कभी ना वीडियो आप दिखा दिया करो ताकि मुझे ये हो जाए कि हाँ सब लोग हैं. Okay, fine. So I believe that this table is clear to everyone. Now let us start making some waveform. Have you tried anyone? 30, 60, 90? Anyone tried for any firing angle or not? At least say yes or no. Pratik,
Yes, sir.
try. You tried.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For which angle you have tried? For which angle you have tried?
So Vaishali.
वैशाली
So सारे सब 30, 60 सब के लिए try करिए.
तो सभी आ गया waveform. All waveform you got or
Yes, sir.
you have any problem? Have you faced any
नहीं
problem?
sir, सारी waveform आ गई.
सारी waveform आ गई. Wonderful.
No, sir.
है? No sir? Why no? All waveform has come ना?
नहीं मैं बोल रही हूँ sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, fine. कुछ किसी
हाँ
को
sir.
ओके फाइन. कुछ किसी को ऐसा डाउट तो नहीं हुआ? एक मिनट को सब लोग जरा वीडियो ऑन कर दो. मैं फेस टू फेस आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस दिस थिंग. सब लोग वीडियो ऑन कर दें. संदीप, एकता, रितेश, अक्षय, ऑल प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो. Okay, see, Prakash, Akshay. Okay, fine. Then let us take example of yesterday class. For example, when 1 and 3 both are conducting, you just see there is a moment when 1, 2, 3 is coming twice. So 1 and 3 both are conducting. You just open this diagram which I have shared yesterday. You just open that diagram. There is a point when 1, 2, 3 were conducting. Means 1 and 3 both are from the positive cycle, isn't it? Both are from the positive cycle. किसी के मन में भी, any one of you, have you feel like, sir, either 1 or 3 will conduct? This type of doubt anybody is having or not? Like in rectifier, we have studied the most positive voltage will appear. Why I am asking this question? Because yesterday Prakash asked this question and I explained him. At the same time I said कि Prakash मेरे को याद दिलाना, I will ask to another. किसी को ये doubt तो नहीं हुआ कि sir 1 and 3 both are positive, तो as you told कि which one is having most positive voltage that will conduct? Did anyone feel like this type of doubt? Are you getting me, Pavan? Can anyone tell me? Could you hear me and understand what I am trying to ask? Okay, Richa, okay. तो रिचा ये कोई डाउट आपको नहीं हुआ कि भाई 1 and 3 both are, you just see 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So most positive voltage will, the thyristor which is having most positive voltage, that will conduct. This type of doubt, anybody is facing this type of doubt, or everyone understood this is not the case? सबको ये बात समझ में आ गई ना कि 1 भी चलेगा या 3 चलेगा, जो भी चलना होगा चल जाएगा, कहीं कोई समस्या नहीं है? हाँ नहीं में तो जवाब दो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मेरी आवाज आ रही है या आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
यस सर, आ रही है।
आ रही
आ
है।
रही तो एक मिनट वैशाली, कम्युनिकेट करते रहो। ये बताओ आप कि ये कोई डाउट तो नहीं हुआ ना कि सर 1 और 3 कैसे दोनों चल जाएंगे, दोनों में से कोई एक चलना
नहीं,
चाहिए?
सर जैसे जब डायोड होता है तो उसके केस में हम देखते हैं कि किसके अक्रॉस ज्यादा वोल्टेज है, मतलब तो वो कंडक्ट करेगा, लेकिन थायरिस्टर में जो फायरिंग एंगल होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग।
तुम बहुत पागल हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है डियर। चाहे वो आईजीबीटी हो, चाहे वो मॉसफेट हो, चाहे वो थायरिस्टर हो, चाहे वो डायोड हो, एनी टाइप ऑफ डिवाइस will conduct only in the case when it is in forward bias. It is not like that ki only diode we will check. This is not the case. Whether it is a thyristor, whether it is a diode or anything, it will conduct only in the case when it is in forward bias. Then only it will conduct, otherwise it won't. Clear? So अभी क्या डाउट हो गया दिव्यांशु?
यस सर,
अभी डाउट हुआ क्या कुछ?
थोड़ा थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है सर।
आपने इसके मतलब आप लोगों ने ट्राई नहीं। आरमन भी, आरमन इज आल्सो लाफिंग। बताओ भाई आरमन, कोई डाउट हुआ? एंड आई अप्रिशिएट इसको प्रकर्ष को, who just after means this signing of this online class he asked कि सर ये डाउट है, तो मैंने कहा आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू राइट हियर बट प्लीज रिमाइंड मी। सबको पूछना है मेरे को। और देखोगे आप लोगों ने, यू हैव स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग इन अनदर डायरेक्शन and unfortunately that is wrong. कि साहब, that we will see in the case of diode, not the thyristor. No, we have to check. It doesn't matter what type of device you are using. Any power electronic device will conduct only and only when it is in the forward bias mode, isn't it? तो अब एक बार जरा फटाफट इसको देख लो, फिर मैं तुमको दिखाऊं सर्किट कैसा है। मैं आपको ये अपना सर्किट वाला वीडियो दिखाता हूं। यू जस्ट सी 1 3 5, right? Anybody feel doubt like sir 1 3 5 cannot conduct simultaneously? They will conduct only the device which is having most positive voltage. This type of doubt should not come in this case. If it is, please let me know. किसी को भी जरा सा डाउट हो तो मेरे को अभी बताओ, मैं 1 मिनट में क्लियर कर दूं। अंकिता, अंकिता,
यस सर।
अंकिता डाउट तो नहीं आ रहा डियर? ये देखो RYB कुछ इस तरह का कि रेक्टिफायर की तरह हो जाएगा सर, 1 3 5 में से कोई एक चल सकता है। कुछ कुछ डाउट आने लगा। भरत, शक्ति, शक्ति,
यस सर,
डाउट आ रहा है?
यस सर।
देखिए, देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी डाउट।
सर बता दीजिए सर।
हाँ हाँ, देखो देखो देखो, there should not be any doubt. There should not be any doubt. Reason is, in case of rectifier, there was a condition either common anode or common cathode. Either common anode or common cathode. In that case, all these terminal 1 3 5, all cathodes are connected. If you remember that circuit. If you remember that circuit, 1 3 5, all cathodes are common. That is why only one device can conduct. But here it is not the case. It is not the case. They are connected through the load. They are connected through the load. Clear? So 1 can conduct, 3 can conduct, both can conduct, and it will go like this. From these two phases, current will come and will go through this device too. Clear? Any of the two phases can conduct. This is the condition when all phases are conducting. any two phases are giving the current and it is going through the third phase. It will return through the third phase, right? So this is not the case कि साहब most positive voltage will conduct. No, it is not the case. Clear? एकता?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अभी ठीक है? आगे चलें? Arman, you just raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Arman.
Yes, sir.
Huh? ठीक. Okay, fine. So let us draw for the firing circuit. For the firing circuit of 30 degree. Let us draw for the firing circuit of 30 degree. Anyone tried? Vaishali is tried. Apart from Vaishali, किसी और ने भी करा? भरत, दिव्यांशु, अक्षय, फटाफट बताओ. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो हम लोग अभी दोबारा से उसको देख लें. दिव्यांशु हो गया? कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं? जिसमें डिस्कस करना हो. प्रकाश बताओ अगर कोई भी वेव फॉर्म डिस्कस करनी हो.
30 डिग्री वाला एक बार बता दीजिए.
ये कौन बोल रहा है? आरमन. Who is saying 30
Yes,
degree?
sir.
आरमन. ओके ठीक है. तो वी विल ड्रा दिस फॉर 30 डिग्री. तो मैं शुरू से सबके लिए सब कुछ ड्रा करूं फिर से. फॉर 30 डिग्री आई शुड ड्रॉ इट वंस अगेन. फाइन. मेरे को
Sir,
थोड़ा सा
30 डिग्री के लिए.
30 डिग्री के लिए. फाइन. This is B. Is it visible? Just tell me. This is R. This is Y. This is B. This is R. Clear?
Sir, शेड पड़ रही है, दिखा.
Okay. अभी now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Or I should use black pen. Wait. Let me take some another color pen. This is B. This is R. Y. B. R. Now find. 0 is here. 0 is here. And we have to draw it for 30 degree. We have to draw this for 30 degree. Clear? So 30 degree is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Up to this point. Up to this point. Oh, this. Up to this point. Clear? Because it has to be end. It has to be end where R phase is ending just after 30 degree. So I have ended here. This is for 1. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we'll start from here and it will go up to this point. Is it visible to everyone? श्वेता ये दिख रहा है? ओके ठीक. फाइन. प्रतीक ने बता दिया. Now this is for 3. This is for 4. This is for 5. And this is for 6. This is for 6. After 6, we have to start 60 degree after T1. That means there is a gap of 2, 4, 6. 6 segment gap. 2, 4, 6 means it will be there. Then this will be there. Then this will be there. Then this will be there, and this 2, 4 and this 6, this will be there. 2, 4, 6. Clear? This waveform is clear, Arman? Okay, done. So we can give the numbering of each device. We can give the numbering of each device. This device numbering is clear. This I have drawn just for your convenient. This waveform we have right now we have drawn. Could you see this numbering? श्वेता ये नंबरिंग दिख रही है? भरत आप मेरे को बिल्कुल साफ साफ दिख रहे हो, आपका वीडियो भी ऑन है. You just raise your hand if it is visible. भरत, can you see this? Okay, fine. प्रतीक ने बताया. ठीक
दिख रही है सर.
ठीक 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 ठीक. Wonderful, wonderful. So you can notice. Let us start here. 1, 2, 3. There is one combination 1, 2, 3. Again it is repeated 1, 2, 3. If one is conducting, then R phase must be positive, but it is negative, so it cannot conduct. Clear? This cannot conduct. I have put it one circle. Like second, this. If second is conducting, it means what? If second is conducting, it means this. Second is conducting. B phase has to be negative. Am I right? If second is conducting, this is cathode. B phase has to be negative. Look at this. Is B phase is negative during this duration? No, it is positive. So B phase cannot conduct. Am I right? I could see 4 videos: Bharat, Arman, Shweta, Shakti and Prateek. I believe your internet connection is quite good. So whenever I am saying, is it okay, you just raise your hand or something, you just give me some signal so that I could understand the rest of the people can see me properly. Fine. So likewise, you can notice everywhere, since the same combination is repeating twice. In the first combination, all are conducting. In the next combination, only two phases are conducting. The same thing is repeated everywhere. You can notice. Clear? Arman, is it clear? Ekta, where is Ekta? Ekta, if you do not have any problem, you just put your video on, because you said कि sir दोबारा बता दीजिए. That is why I am saying. If you have no problem, then you can turn on your video. If you have any problem, it's okay with me. No problem at all. Fine. Now you just see. You just give the numbering.
Yes sir, दिख रहा है sir.
Okay, fine. Here you can see all phases are conducting. Means when all phases are conducting, then what would be the phase voltage? It would be VRN. I am going to draw the phase voltage. Whenever all phases are conducting, phase voltage would be VRN. So just draw. 1, 2, 6, all phases are conducting, we will draw this voltage. Right? We will draw. I am again writing the number. For your convenience here. 1, 5, 6, 1, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6.
आवाज नहीं आ रही सर।
सर कहाँ गए?
सर आ रहे। Now it is coming. Voice is coming. Video is coming.
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. So 5, 6, 1. Then we have, you just check I have written the right number or not. I have written the right number or not. You just check. 1, 5, 6. Then 1, 6. Then 1, 2, 6. Then 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 3. Then 2, 3, 4. Then 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. Then 4, 5. Then 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. Then 3, 4. Then 3, 4, 5. Then 4, 5. Then 4, 5, 6. Then 5, 6. Then 5, 6, 1. Then 5, 6. No. This will not conduct. 5, 6, 1 के बाद it should be 6, 1 like this. And if you look at here, 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. And before this, it is 1, 5, 6. Before it is 1, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, but 4 is not conducting. Here 4, 5, 6. Here 4, 5. Then 3, 4, 5, and 3, 4. I have written in the corrected form. Corrected form means where 2 devices can conduct and where 3 devices can conduct. I believe now everybody has drawn this. Pratik, ठीक बात? Right? Pratik, Shweta, Shakti, can anybody tell? Arman, Bharat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So whenever all devices are conducting, now I am going to draw the waveform. Whenever all devices are conducting, like 1, 5, 6, like 1, 5, 6. This is our VRN. Mid voltage is VRN. And this is half VRY. RY voltage will be here and half VRB voltage will be here. So this waveform is for half RB. This waveform is for half RY. Right? Now when all phases are conducting, what we will get? When all phases are conducting, we will get Rn. 1, 5, 6 are conducting. So this will be the voltage. Right? When only 1 and 6 are conducting, we will get half Ry. We will get half Ry. Now again all phases are conducting, we will get half Rn. Now again 1 and 2 is conducting, we will get half Rb. Now again all phases are conducting, so we will get Vrn. Now again 2 and 3 is conducting. 2 and 3 is conducting. What should be the voltage? 2 and 3 is conducting. If 2 and 3 is conducting, what would be the R phase voltage? It would be 0.
0.
It would be 0.
0.
Huh? Because that is not conducting. So it would be 0. Clear? Now again all phases are conducting. So this voltage would be Vrn. This voltage would be Vrn. Then again 3 and 4 are conducting. 3 and 4 are conducting. Means when 3 and 4 are conducting, what would be the voltage? Minus of Ry means this same Ry, half Ry voltage you will get. this. 3 and 4. 4 means R phase. When 1 is conduct, then R phase is also conducting. When 4 is conducting, then R4 is also conducting. But current is entering to the R phase when thyristor 4 is conducting. Clear? Now again, all phases are conducting, so it would be like this. After that, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So you will get VRB voltage. You will get VRB voltage. After that, all phases are conducting, so you will get VRN voltage. Then 5 and 6, R is not conducting. That means this voltage is 0. Then again, VRN voltage, because 5, 6, 1 are conducting. Then 6 and 1 are conducting, means you will get RY voltage. You will get RY voltage. Then again, all phases are conducting, so on and so forth. So on and so forth. Right? Do you have any problem? If you have any problem, just tell me. To make this R phase voltage, to make this R phase voltage. Clear? Good face, very good. जिनको जिनको क्लियर मैं जब कहा करूं तो एटलीस्ट यू रेज योर हैंड. जो जिन्होंने वीडियो ऑन करा है वो फिजिकली हैंड रेज कर दें. जिन्होंने नहीं करा है, ओके, प्रतीक 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 मैं देख लिया. जिन्होंने नहीं करा है वो अपना सॉफ्टवेयर में कर दें. राइट? तो मुझे इधर से पता रहेगा. नाउ वी कैन ड्रॉ द लाइन वोल्टेज. आगे चलें. नाउ फॉर लाइन वोल्टेज, one thing you should notice right from our table. This is very important table. This is very important table. Phase voltage we can have either Rn or Ry by 2 or 0 or half Rb. Look at this. We can have Rn, we can have Rn, we can have Rn, we can have Rb, we can have half Br, half Ry, or we can have 0 voltage. We can have 0 voltage. All the 4 combination we have in the
वीडियो बंद होने वाली है.
video. What
मीटिंग 1 मिनट में बंद होने वाली है.
Oh, see, you don't go away. We will start once again. Right? तो अभी हम लोग एक बार सब लोग इस पे बात कर लेते हैं कि फेज वोल्टेज इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. यू जस्ट अनम्यूट योर वॉइस.
Yes, sir.
I am doing
Yes,
here now. All are
Yes, sir.
हाँ, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अभी ये मीटिंग 1 मिनट में क्लोज हो जाएगी. हाँ हाँ, बताओ वैशाली, कुछ कह रहे हो?